Hello guys, today I've got the OnePlus Nord 6 and I'm going to show you the camera pro mode guide. At first open the camera, navigate to pro right here. And now what we can see is at first ISO, then shutter, exposure, here focus and white balance. Let's start with the ISO. You can change it like this. If you tap and now we can slide. The lowest value is 50, the highest value is 3200. The low ISO is clean for daylight shots. Its best value to take a daylight shots is between 100 and 200. Of course, it depends on the light conditions, but that's how it usually works. High ISO, which is between 800 and like this 800 and 3200 for brighter low light shots. Of course, it's more noise, but you know what I mean. The rule is to keep ISO as low as possible for clean images. Then here we've got shutter speed. Here we can control how long light enters the camera. The fastest one is here 1 to 8000. It freezes motion like sports or action, but of course the recommended value is 1 to 1000, somewhere here. It's dedicated, as I said, for sports and action. The medium is between 160 to 125 over here. That's just, for normal everyday shots. Then we've got slow, and it's here. 2 seconds. It's for night photos or light trails. Here we've got, of course, 2 seconds, so it's not that great, but you know what I mean. Slow shutter, when you have slow shutter, the tripod is actually really recommended. Here we've got the exposure level, as you can see, and you can lower the exposure level, and the less exposure it is, the darker the image is. The lower EV, the lower exposure, is actually really nice for bright skies, and for dark scenes increase the EV slightly. Here we've got focus. We can here switch to manual focus or automatic focus. When you've got manual focus, we can creatively actually manage our control. Here we've got macro mode, and here we've got this not landscape, but we've got more like further objects. It means that manual focus mode is dedicated for macro shots, night photography, and artistic blur effects. And here we've got the white balance. Here we can control color temperature. Daylight is actually natural outdoor colors, warm light indoor yellow tones, cool light blue or clean tones. We can fix clear or to blue photos instantly with this slider. Here, apart from that, if we tap these 3 lines at the top, we can see focus peaking option and histogram. Here we've got aspect ratio of our image, the timer, the interval shooting, and the settings. If we want to bring back this value to the default ones, just tap this arrow. Here, if we tap this thing, we can see that we can switch the mode of our photo from JPG to RAW or from RAW to JPG. And of course we've got flashlight and this info icon over here, which shows all the information for us. Again, goodbye.